Rain and thunderstorms increasing the flood threat across New South Wales and Victoria, and we can see why on the satellite image with a lot of cloud cover, but the true story is told when we look at the water vapour image, and we can see this spin here on the image indicating to us an upper level low pressure system is moving into New South Wales and Victoria, bringing widespread shower and thunderstorm activity to Victoria, New South Wales and possibly up into southern Queensland. We could even see some severe thunderstorms today through areas of southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. But looking into 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning, widespread 5 to 15 millimetres across southern New South Wales and Victoria, and that rainfall has continued this morning and this afternoon as this rain and thunderstorm activity continues to wrap around a low pressure system currently developing over southern New South Wales. Now, this additional rainfall is going to be not good news for our many flood affected communities and residents across Victoria and New South Wales. Now, looking at those warnings right now, major flood warnings are occurring across numerous rivers across inland New South Wales, but thankfully the focus of the heavier falls will be away from this area and more so focused into southeast New South Wales and much of Victoria. Now, through Victoria, you can see here this purple area that shows us flood watches are current for many of our rivers across central and eastern Victoria. Now, this means that while the rivers aren't currently experiencing flooding right now, this additional rainfall is likely to lead to renewed river level rises, with a number of these rivers possibly experiencing minor to even moderate flooding, depending on where the heaviest rainfall occurs. Now, looking at that rainfall in more detail, we can see widespread rain and thunderstorm activity spinning around this low this afternoon and this evening, with probably some of the heavier falls through elevated parts of Victoria. Now, as we move into tonight and then tomorrow, the focus of heavy rainfall as this low moves offshore will shift into southeastern New South Wales and eastern Victoria, where we could see moderate to heavy falls there. And thankfully, as we get into Wednesday night, the rainfall will move offshore with just a burst of showers and gusty winds up the New South Wales coast. Now, looking at total rainfall accumulation over the next 48 hours, generally that widespread 5 to 15 millimetres across large parts of New South Wales and Victoria, with some heavier falls particularly in southeast New South Wales and eastern Victoria, as well as along the ranges of Victoria as well. Thankfully though, we're not expecting those heavy falls across our major flood affected communities in northern New South Wales, with just some isolated falls there. So if we live in this part of the world or know someone that does, remember to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media, and listen to all advice from emergency services.